Yeah, g'day. So this morning I'm headed back to Wirrim Studios to shoot some photos. OK Music. They're pretty big Indigenous band, so it should be some fun. Look at the little ducks. Nope, you're not focused on that. I got some clothes to drop at Salvo's first, actually.
Yeah. Stuff?
Cool, thank you guys.
See ya.
So I'm just gonna start setting this up here.
In his office, pretending to work. So Ding Dong Dash my friend, and then I put up the video about it, and he's like, "You kidding me? I changed all the door locks on the house because I thought it was some dodgy renters from the past." Sucked in, Westy. So I just went into the studio quickly, and we couldn't get one of the flashes working, so I'm gonna race home and get my little M180 light that I got the other day. I was just going in there for a quick hour shoot for this band, and then Rich said there's some headshots to do, and the people across the road want some drone shots of their property. So yeah, how good. From 1 gig to 3 in a matter of minutes. Phew. Setting up the lights. Learning, doing. Huh.
Yeah, that's better.
Just got the fake talent standing in.
Yeah.
Working on his Tinder.
Fake talent. Mate, I am the definition of talent.
Is it working on Tinder or Grindr? We're going to do a shout out with this on. We're getting the whole team together.
Ooh.
Shout out.
You want a large?
I'll try it. Yeah, good.
How many? That was full, man. House full.
There you go.
Thanks, boys.
Oh, dude, I could easily be a musician.
My name is Julian Belbashir. Play in the Oka band. Bill Bashir.
My name is Stu, aka Stu. I can be that or
We'll see how it looks with glasses. That's cool. Even we'll bring this one forward.
We're half hour in, Julian. What do you reckon?
I reckon, man, this is the spot. This is it.
Yeah. Sweet. Thank you.
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Just finished the second shoot of the day. Some headshots. See you tomorrow. See you, mate.
say mate.
Today was successful. Went in to do one shoot, ended up shooting that, some headshots, and then some drone shots of one of the businesses around the corner. Well, it's 4:15. I feel like I've actually worked a full day for the first time in a while. Now I'll head home and go through some photos. I'll edit it tomorrow and send them all in. Slow steps. How good? See it.